Yes, welcome to ETV. This is this illustration SV Limited engaged in the manufacturing of four products has prepared the following budgeted for 2015. So the production units are 20,000, 5,000, and 25,000 and 15,000. Selling price 24.5, 36.75, 44.26, and 64. That material per unit 6, 13.5, 10.5, and 24. Direct wages 7.5, 10, 18, and 24. Variable overhead 5, 6, 8.5, 2.25. Fixed overhead 75,000, 25,000, 2,25,000, and 1,80,000. When the budget was discussed, it was proposed that the production should be increased by 10,000 units, for which the capacity existed in 1989. It was also discussed that for the year that is 2016, the production capacity should be further decreased by 25,000 over and above the increase of 10,000 units envisaged as above. For 1989, the additional production capacity of 25,000 units should be used for the manufacturing of the product B, for which new production facility were to be created at an annual fixed overhead cost of rupees 35,000. The direct material cost of all the four products were expected to increase by 10% in 1990, which the other cost and the selling price would be remain the same. Requirement: find the profit of 2015 on the assumption that the existing capacity of 10,000 units is utilized for the maximize the profit. Prepare a statement of profit for 2016. Assuming that the increase in the output of product B may not fully materialized in the year of 1990, find the number of units of product B to be sold in 1990 to earn the same overall profit as in 1989. Going ahead with the solution, so I have prepared a statement showing computation of profit. So for particulars A, B, C, and D, production 20,000, 5,000, and 35,000 and 50,000 as mentioned in the costing. Right. Direct material as mentioned, direct wages is also mentioned, variable cost per hour is also mentioned in the illustration, and then we have the total cost and then contribution. When say total variable cost minus sale price will give you the contribution, and then we have contribution value. Contribution value is nothing but when we multiply the units with contribution per unit. Then we have fixed cost as 75,000. When we deduct the fixed cost from contribution, we will get the profit, and the total profit will be 1,81,250. Going towards the second profit, that is second requirement profit for the year 1990. Over here, the unit of B has been increased by 25,000 as mentioned. The selling price is same as the illustration, and then we have the direct material and direct wages and the variable cost. Then the total cost 19.1, 30.85, 36.05, and 52.65. So in the budget of 19 profit for the year and 1990 computation, the material cost will be increased by 10% for all items A, B, and C and D of E. Therefore, the contribution has been changed as 5.4 and 5.9, 8.2 and 11.2. Then when we compute or when we multiply contribution per unit with the quantity produced, we will get the contribution value less the fixed cost. We will get the profit as 1,20,250. In order to get the profit of 1989, the contribution has to be recovered as follows. The profit for the year is 1 lakh for in 1988 is 1 lakh 40. We need to add the fixed cost of 1 lakh 5,000. In additional fixed cost 35,000. So the total will be 6,80,000, and we need to deduct the contribution which is received from A, C, and D. The total contribution will be 4,80,250. That is when the contribution value of 1,08,000 plus 1,77,000 plus 1,70,250 will get you 4,83,250. Then therefore we will get the contribution which should be recovered from product B as 1,96,750. When we divide such contribution with the contribution per unit, so the contribution value divided by contribution per unit, will get the total quantity which needs to be sold to get the expected return, that is 33,347 units. Suppose. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you got clear clarification regarding this illustration. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.